Wolfowitz and Rumsfeld, these are the bad guys in your film. Didn't they know they were going to screw up? Didn't they know it was going to be difficult?
They don't seem to have thought that it was going to be difficult. In fact, the plan, if one can dignify it with that term, the plan for the United States military occupation of Iraq in 2003 was for the majority of U.S. forces to be withdrawn by August or September of 2003. Everything that they did, everything, worked against the goal of being able to get out quickly, because the first 5 things that the United States did essentially destroyed every institution in Iraq and made it impossible for the Iraqis to govern themselves, and made it necessary for us to remain, and also made it much more difficult and complicated and violent for us to remain.
This program is brought to you by Link TV for educational and non-commercial use only. Link TV is the only U.S. network dedicated to global and national news, uncompromising documentaries, and diverse cultural programs. Programs that connect you to the world.